In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Excel to default settings if your Excel layout looks different than usual, or if the ribbon and toolbar have been customized in a way that makes things harder to find. Resetting Excel can help bring everything back to a more familiar setup. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to restore the default ribbon and quick access toolbar layout using Excel's built-in reset option. First, open Microsoft Excel. You can start with a blank workbook or open any existing file, since the setting we're changing is part of Excel itself and not tied to a specific spreadsheet. Once Excel is open, go to the top of the window and click File in the ribbon. This will open the Backstage view, where you'll see a navigation panel on the left side. In that left pane, click Options. This opens the Excel Options window, which is where many of Excel's general preferences and interface settings are managed. In the Excel Options window, look to the list on the left and select Customize Ribbon. This section allows you to control what appears in the ribbon and how different tabs and commands are arranged. If anything has been changed over time, this is where you can return those customizations to the default layout. Now move your attention to the bottom right area of the window. You should see a Reset drop-down button. Click that drop-down to reveal the available reset choices. From the menu, choose Reset or Customizations. This option will remove any changes that were made to the ribbon and the Quick Access toolbar, returning both to their original default layouts. This can be especially helpful if commands were moved, tabs were hidden, or extra custom groups were added and you want a clean starting point again. After you select that option, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Excel asks you to confirm because this action will undo all current interface customizations. If you're ready to continue, click Yes. Once confirmed, Excel will immediately restore the ribbon and the Quick Access toolbar to their default settings. This means the standard tabs, command arrangement, and toolbar layout will go back to the way they were before any custom changes were made. And that's it. You've successfully reset Excel's interface to its default layout. If you found this helpful, you can use the same approach anytime your ribbon feels cluttered or unfamiliar and you want to return to the standard setup.